What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, which you probably are because everybody is new here, I am so happy you decided to join me today. Couple of things. One, new hair. Two, as you may have already noticed, new camera. It's really exciting. I'm in HD and everything, and it's absolutely terrifying. Essentially, I just took this camera out of the box, propped it up on some other boxes, and pressed record. This video is essentially just going to be a trial run for this brand new camera. So if anything goes awry, just know that we will eventually work these things out together. I have no idea if the autofocus is gonna work. I've never used such an advanced tool before, so we will see how it goes. Fingers crossed it all looks and sounds okay. You might have noticed that the audio quality isn't also as great as the video quality. That is because I have not purchased a microphone yet. I am going to do that at a later date, but for now I thought I have this thing, why not give it a shot? So here we are. We are filming with the thing that I've been waiting for forever. It's really, really exciting. So because of my new do, I thought, why not create something around it? I have been dying to get into this bad boy since I bought it, and I thought what better opportunity to give it a whirl than with some fun new monochromatic realness. So without further ado, let's get started. I've already done my base just like half an hour ago while I was waiting for my other video to upload. How's the white balance? Like, I'm hoping that the exposure on this thing is just about a-okay for now. I have absolutely no idea how to work this thing, so we are crossing our fingers and hoping that the auto settings are good enough for now. So forgive me if I'm just a little weirded out because this is brand new territory we're in, and I'm feeling a little bit like I should know more of what I'm doing at this moment in time. I am also now able to look at my video recording in front of me, which is actually kind of great and also bad because now I'm just going to be looking into the monitor all the time. So forgive me for that faux pas. So let's just dive right into the eyeshadow. This is what we are here for. I wanted to create something fun and monochromatic to match my hair today, or at least try to. Something a little bit pastel. So first things first, we are going to prime our lids, just to give us a nice even base for those super duper pigmented shadows we're about to play with. I also don't really know where this look is going to go, so we're just going to play around and see what happens, like so many other times on my channel. So I might zoom you guys in. Okay, be right back. Okay, I believe we are in focus. I am going to start off with a little bit of Sugarpill's Butter Cupcake, which is completely untouched and I am dying to get into today. So we're just gonna go for it. I think I'm just going to try and get this all over the lid. We really want this blown out. Now you're gonna really see how bad I am at blending. I'm gonna take Kimchi, just sort of place that sort of on the inner and outer third of the lid. That is exactly what I thought it was gonna look like. I wanted to lay that yellow down first so that I would get a blend from yellow to blue with some green. I want this to match my hair exactly, and that's pretty much the exact color that I was looking for. But I will connect the top with some more Kimchi. I'm going to take my Lime Crime Hi-Lite Opal palette and use the gold shade to highlight my brow bone and inner corner. I think I'm going to pack Kimchi onto the lower lash line, and then I'm going to take Butter Cupcake, pack it in the center, and blend it into Kimchi a little bit to make it a bit more green again. Using these eyeshadows is essentially like painting. It just feels like you could create whatever color you wanted as long as you had like yellow, blue, red. Alright, I'm gonna take Butter Cupcake now and diffuse all the edges. Don't know if I like that. I think maybe I will close the gap under here. Yeah, I kind of like that. think I'm gonna get the other eye up to this point and we will continue. Okay, so I think I like where it is right now. I'm going to actually take a tiny bit of that yellow highlighter in the Opals palette and just pop that into the center just to add a little bit more dimension. That's pretty. And then I think to even add a touch of sparkle, I'm going to throw on a little Urban Decay glitter liner in. Oh, dang it.
Whoopsies.
What I meant to do is pop a tiny bit in the center. Can't believe I did that. I'm gonna take my Too Faced glitter glue, throw that into my inner corner. Alright, I'm going to finish up that other inner corner, pop on some lashes, and we will zoom out to do the rest of the look. And we are back, folks. Lashes are on. These are my absolute favorite lashes of all time, my Luminara lashes from Rouge and Rogue. I just got in a brand new order of lashes the other day. They always come in the most gorgeous, stunning packaging. They are my absolute favorite lash company and I would heartily recommend them for some cruelty-free lashes. Okay, moving on. We are pretty much done the face for the most part. All we need to do is add a little bit of highlight, and I thought I'd say that for the camera because it's always super fun. So today we are going to go back into the Lime Crime Opals palette and take the gold shade. Holy moly. You know, just a casual going to the grocery store look. And now that we're just, you know, rocking a subtle glow, I think out of pure laziness, I'm going to skip freckles today, even though freckles would be fucking cute with this look. For lips, I'm going to go in with my Colourpop Luxe lipstick in shade Getty. I'm just sort of setting a lipstick base. Okay, that's looking a little crazy just this second, but wait. I have another thing I really want to test out on camera, and that is the Lime Crime Diamond Crushers in the shade Meadow, which I think is going to tie the look all together, but we will have to see. This is the first time I'm also trying this, and it's going to be on camera, so who knows? That is so pretty. I don't think I've ever seen a lip product quite like this before. I was, however, kind of hoping it was going to be a bit more opaque, kind of like this color in the tube, just so when I would apply it over a dark lipstick, it would really, really transform it. I mean, it's still pretty, don't get me wrong, but it's just a little more translucent than I thought it was going to be, which, I mean, is not really a mark against the product, because it is what it is. The component is so heavy and it's not bunching at all or grabbing. Okay, this doesn't quite go with the eye look that I did today. However, it's stunning. I don't really care. We can roll with it. Alright, all we need to do is a little bit of bottom mascara and we are done today. And before the battery on my camera dies, this is the look all complete. It was super fun to create. I love just sitting down and not knowing where the look will take me, but I'm really, really happy with how it turned out today. We tried some stuff on camera which worked really, really well, including the camera. We're trying it out right now. All the products that I tried today were super fun and they worked really, really well. So in general, it was a win. I hope you guys like the new hair. I hope you guys love the new camera, and hopefully we will just keep making improvements to the channel from here on out. So if you enjoyed what you watched today, please give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out a great deal. And if you want more of this mug in your future, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. We are small, but we are mighty. We would love to have you on board. I don't have an uploading schedule, so if you want to be notified every time a new video goes up, hit that bell icon down below and you will be notified every time I upload a video. You can also give me a follow on social media. My Instagram is @Madelaide, same way it's spelled here, and my Twitter is @MadSuds, which is MADDSUDZ. I'm going to sign off before this battery dies and hopefully get some good footage out of this. Thank you for helping me break my camera in today, guys. I really appreciate it. Please be kind, and be generous to everyone you meet out in the world today. And hopefully I will see you on the next one. Bye!